In March 1888, a huge snowstorm hit the Northeast. People in New York, Connecticut, and New Jersey dug out their shovels and prepared for a fight. Trains stopped running, telegraph lines went down, and people were stuck in their homes for days. The snow piled up so high that in some places it was over a foot deep. More than 400 people died, many from the cold or from being stuck outside. But this disaster taught cities an important lesson. After the blizzard, New York spent millions of dollars building its first underground subways. They also put the telegraph and telephone wires underground to protect them from future storms. The Great Blizzard of 1888 showed just how powerful nature can be, but it also showed the need for better planning. If you want to know more about this amazing story, stay tuned.